Who said you cannot teach an old dog brand new techniques? It absolutely wasn't Nismo, as Nissan's internal receiver maintains locating methods to improve the GT R, although the R35 generation has actually been around because 2007. In its residential market, Godzilla is now offered with sports resetting Type 1 and also Type 2 bundles customized to the 2024 version year, but additionally older cars and trucks. The former is for the spicy Nismo, while the last is compatible with the normal variation. The 2024 Nissan GT R Nismo with the Type 1 bundle has actually had its rate limiter altered for the purpose of preventing risk because of speed distinction when driving on the circuit. We're not specifically sure what that indicates, however we do know owners of the 2024 GT R Nismo thinking about taking their supercars to the track will certainly have to pay 297,000 yen for the kit. That works out to $2,230 at present exchange rates. The upgrade consists of a different engine control module. The committed ECM can be mounted in all 2017 to 2024 GTRs, while the 2015 My cars additionally get a transmission control component, TCM. Rates depends upon the design year. The Type 2 bundle is a lot more fascinating considering that it allows additional torque in the reduced as well as moderate speed range for much better acceleration. It as well consists of a new ECM and also TCM, together with added adjusting by changing the boost stress as well as altering the gearbox for quicker adjustments. Nismo is charging 341,000 yen or $2,600 and says the package is compatible with 2009 to 2024 designs. The Type 2 bundle is much more intriguing considering that it allows additional torque in the low and medium speed variety for much better velocity. It as well includes a brand new ECM and also TCM, together with extra tuning by changing the boost pressure and rectifying the gearbox for quicker modifications. Nismo is charging 341,000 yen or $2,600 and also says the kit is compatible with 2009 to 2024 versions.